Imagine a world where your online order ships before you even realize you're running out of stock. Where global trade flows with the precision of a symphony. And where supply chain disruptions don't break billion-dollar businesses but are predicted and prevented by intelligent machines. That world is no longer a dream. It's happening right now, powered by AI-driven automation. Today, we're diving deep into how AI is transforming supply chain management, making it smarter, faster, and more resilient than ever. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the power of AI in logistics but also see how Amazon, Tesla, Walmart, and even small startups are using it to stay 10 steps ahead of their competitors. Supply chains are the backbone of the global economy. Every product you touch, your phone, your coffee mug, your shoes, has traveled through a complex network of factories, warehouses, ports, and delivery trucks. But here's the challenge: these networks are massive, fragile, and often inefficient. Think about it, one container ship stuck in the Suez Canal back in 2021 cost global trade over $9 billion a day. Now, imagine if AI could prevent such disasters, or at least minimize their impact. That's where supply chain automation powered by AI comes in. Traditional forecasting relies on historical data. But let's be honest, in a post-COVID, inflation-driven, climate-impacted world, the past doesn't always predict the future. AI changes the game by analyzing real-time data streams, from weather reports and geopolitical updates to social media sentiment and customer buying patterns. For example, this isn't just about stocking products, it's about anticipating human behavior with near scientific accuracy. How many times have you gone online only to see, sorry, this item is out of stock? Or worse, companies hoard too much inventory, locking up millions in capital and wasting resources. AI fixes this with smart inventory optimization. Machine learning algorithms calculate the perfect balance, not too much, not too little. The result? Lean, efficient, customer-first supply chains. Delivery delays are one of the biggest supply chain headaches. Traffic, bad weather, or unexpected breakdowns can cause chaos. AI steps in with dynamic route optimization. Think of it like Waze on steroids for freight trucks. And yes, autonomous trucks are already hitting highways in the US, moving freight across states without human drivers. Supply chain disruptions are a trillion-dollar problem. From pandemics to wars to natural disasters, companies have learned the hard way that resilience is non-negotiable. AI helps by creating digital twins of supply chains, virtual replicas that simulate disruptions in real time. For example, with AI, companies don't just react to problems, they prevent them before they occur. Walk into an Amazon fulfillment center, and you'll see fleets of robots zipping around, carrying shelves, and organizing packages. These aren't just random robots, they're powered by AI-driven vision systems and machine learning algorithms. The warehouse of the future? Almost fully automated, with humans focusing on strategy and oversight, not heavy lifting. Choosing the right supplier is a make or break decision. AI systems now analyze supplier performance data, risk ratings, and sustainability metrics to recommend the best partnerships. The big win? Supply chains become not just faster, but greener and more ethical. At the end of the day, supply chains aren't about trucks and warehouses, they're about customers. AI ensures that the last mile getting the product to the customer's doorstep is seamless. A smoother supply chain means happier customers and more loyal buyers. Want to know what's really going viral in supply chain management? It's the fusion of AI, blockchain, and IoT. This trio is trending hard because it promises trust, speed, and accountability across global networks. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. AI in supply chains comes with challenges, high upfront costs for automation tech. But here's the viral truth: the companies that don't adopt AI in their supply chains risk falling behind, fast. Experts predict that by 2030, over 80% of supply chains will be AI-driven. The winners will be those who embrace it early. So, what does this mean for you? If you're a business owner, manager, or even a customer, understand this: AI isn't just improving supply chains, it's reinventing them. From predictive forecasting and route optimization to warehouse robotics and blockchain integration, AI is the invisible engine powering the products you use every single day. And here's the kicker: the transformation is just beginning. Rocket emoji. The question is, will you adapt with AI, or will you get left behind in the global race for smarter supply chains? Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more insights on AI and technology, and share this video with someone who needs to understand where the future of supply chains is heading. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think AI will make supply chains fully automated, or will humans always play a role? Stay tuned, because the future of business is being delivered one AI-powered package at a time. Package emoji, robot emoji, sparkles emoji.